Hello, my Facebook friends. We are talking about a lead magnet, a video lead magnet, a three-part video series lead magnet. I told you guys a little bit earlier this week, or was it last week, I had a guest speaker in the Impact membership, and she used to work at Facebook, and now she's a Facebook ads manager. And what she told us, she's been seeing people or companies converting more people, growing their email list, getting more leads when they're using a video as opposed to a PDF as a lead magnet. So I wanted to show you, I put one together this weekend, and I wanted to show you what one looks like so you can see if this is something that you want to do. So this is a demo. Every now and then I do demos instead of me just talking at you and educating you on some marketing. This is a demo. So I just want to show you like how I did it, what tools I used, the tech even, and the strategy behind it. So real fast, lead magnet. We know lead magnets are important for us because a lead magnet is the way that you get new email addresses on your email list. And we know the bigger the email list, the more likely we are to sell. So we want to grow our email list. This is something that every entrepreneur does their entire lifetime. This is not a one-time thing. This is something that you will do forever. So growing your email list is vital importance to you. If you haven't done so, you need to get started yesterday. This is something that is so important. My teachers, Marie Forleo and Amy Porterfield, and being a marketer for 20 years in corporate America, I've learned the importance of this early on. And this is something that every single marketing teacher, business coach will teach you, if they're good, is grow your darn email list, okay? So you need to grow it. The way to grow it is by getting those leads in. And we create a lead magnet. A lead magnet could be a checklist, it could be an ebook, it could be a resource guide, anything that people will have to give you their email address in order to get whatever you're giving them. And today I want to talk about videos, and specifically the reason that videos are doing better right now. Our theory is, because we don't have concrete data on that yet, because this is all fairly new, is because of COVID-19. People are able to watch videos. So a lot of times when we're at work, 9 to 5, we don't actually want to watch videos because everybody in the office will hear you. So now that we're working from home, people are watching videos with sound more often. Also, for some of us, maybe not the moms and dads out there with small children, but for a lot of us, we have more time. So when we have more time, we watch Netflix, we go on Hulu, we go on social media, we go watch Facebook videos, and some of us have a lot of time where we're ready to learn. We want to do more. We want to really get our business growing. In my case, my audiences are entrepreneurs just like you. So we are more likely to sign up to a lead magnet that is a live video or that is a recorded video, or in this case, what I'm going to show you is the 3-part video series. All right, let me grab it and put it on the call. On the phone. I want to make sure everything is working right before I do so. Yes, it looks like it's going good. Let me also share this real fast in another group real fast, because I probably should have done that first. 3-part video series. And this is a demo. Okay, guys. Thanks for bearing with me here. I'm going to make sure that it's shared in another group. You guys, I'm starting this in the Marketing Guide to Grow Your Business Facebook group, which is a new group for me, so it's not that big yet. And then I have my hundreds of people in my Facebook business page, so I wanted to make sure I invite them over as well so they can see what is going on. All right, so let me share with you what it is that I did. So I created a 3-part video series because the number 3. Don't ask, this is something that is subconscious in the human, but in the human brain, we like odd numbers. So 1 video, 3 videos, 5 videos, 7 videos. That's good. Don't do 2, don't do 4. This is something that you can read up in psychology. So a 7-part video needs to be so amazing that people are going to sit with you for 7 whole videos. So a lot of us will do smaller videos, and 3 just seems to be the magic number that a lot of us are doing. So I want you, if you guys get started with us, I want you to either do 1 video or do a 3-part video. When you do 1 video, you can make them longer. If you're having a live session, you can do like an hour. If it's a pre-recorded video, maybe between 45 minutes to an hour. If you're doing multiple videos, you need to give your people quick bites, quick videos. It needs to go really fast so people don't get annoyed, people don't get bored. We have a short attention span, even with COVID-19. So you want to make sure you just do bite-sized. My bite-sized videos, they vary in length. They're anywhere between 5 minutes, and I think the longest is 7 minutes. But what happens is in each video, I give somebody a nugget that they can use, and then they can learn and they can do something with. That's going to be important for you. Your 3-part video series does multiple things. It gets you more leads, sure, but you need to give something in return. So you need to give them something that they're going to take from your video. They're going to be like, oh, that's cool. It's like a quick win, a quick learn kind of thing. It needs to present you as the thought leader so they know that you're the go-to person in your industry for these awesome nuggets and this training or whatever it is that you have. Okay? All right, let me share with you what I have. I am going to share my screen. So this is the landing page. So for every single lead magnet, you need to collect their email address. So you need to bring them to a landing page. So this landing page has a form. The form I collect is the first name and the email address. That's all I collect. I try not to collect too much. We know that the shorter the form, the more likely your user is going to actually fill it out. So you want to keep it small whenever possible, short. So you can even ask for just email address and skip the first name. So first name, email address, and then they can watch the video. They can also read a little bit more about the free training. So this is my free training, the 3 surefire ways to get your business noticed online. And I got a couple of bullets with a bright green, which stands out, a little bit of a check mark. So people are going to maybe read it, hopefully. And if they don't, that's okay, because all I want them to do is press that big old orange button after they fill out the form. All right. Then what happens is they get to watch it. So this is the first video. I use Kajabi. So Kajabi has this cool thing where it has these 3 video boxes. So you can see the very first one on the left is ready to go. And then the second video and the third video is grayed out. So you're not able to jump around. You have to watch video 1, video 2, and then video 3. If your tool, your website tool, does not have this functionality, it's not a big deal. What you can do instead is kind of what I did on the second part of this video. So of this page. The first page is the first video. And then when they're done watching it, then I have a link that says go to video 2. So in my video 1, this is what I want you to do. If you're doing this for lead generation, that means you're getting new people in. That means that you need to explain who you are. So you give a quick little bio. As you can see, this video, let's see how long it is. This first video is 7 minutes and 21 seconds. It's short. It's easily digestible. I introduce myself. Hey, I'm Andrea. I'm a 20-year marketer. I teach marketing to entrepreneurs. And then I give them the first lesson. The first lesson for them in this particular video, I call it the setup, and I give them a quick win. So the people that are watching this, they get something away, they take something away from it. And then at the very end of this 7 minute and 20-second video, I tease them for the next video because I want them to watch the next video. Okay, cool. They're done watching it. They click on the next video. Bam, they get the next, bam, they get the next video. And again, I'm using Kajabi. So now it's the only one that's grayed out is the third one that they haven't watched yet. So the second video, I titled it The Lead Machine. So in this video, let's see how long this one is. Another short one, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. because I want to keep their attention. In this video, I teach something and then I give them a winning nugget. I give them something where they can be like, oh, I can do this immediately. So in this particular video, I show them how to set up their Facebook profile and their Instagram profile correctly. So it's a quick win that people get. So what happens? They're going to be like, oh, that's cool. I only watched this video for 5 minutes and 50 seconds and I got a quick win out of it. They're going to trust you and they're going to like you and they're going to want to learn more from you. Okay, video's over. Next click, bam, they go on this next video. And the next video, mine is called The Close, and I teach them how to close, how to get people to convert with you. This is another video that's 7 minutes. So then after this video series is over, at the end of this, you want to close it out and you want to give them instructions. So this is going to be your lead generation video. So it's your decision what the instructions are. The instructions could be to buy something. The instructions could be to join your Facebook page or to follow you on Instagram. The instructions could be to watch another video. Or the instructions could be to buy a tripwire, something like a $7 ebook or something really cheap. So your instructions might be different than mine. My particular instructions is I want them to learn about a program. Your particular instructions could also be like, hey, schedule a free consultation call with me. Okay? So that's the first part. So you build your landing page. You have your videos. Your videos need an introduction to you. And then you give them quick wins. You give them nuggets because you want them to like you and be like, well, this is valuable. You close it with a call to action. Call me. Go to my website, listen to my podcast, buy my program, whatever that is. You're not done. This is not the end of it. So the next thing that happens is they should be getting emails because they signed up to you. They give you their email address. So right now you're able to email them. So in my example, I have a 6-part email series that happens after you sign up to watch this video. In the first email, I sent them an email and I just say, hey, thanks so much for signing up for the 3-part video series. This is what you're going to learn in this 3-part video series. Here's your email to watch the first video. As you saw, when somebody fills out my landing page and clicks on watch now, they get to see it right away. But some people might not watch it. So it's just a friendly reminder. Here's your link to the first video. Then the second email, I'd say, hey, what's up? Thanks again for downloading my 3-part video series. If you missed any part of it, you can watch the replays here. And then I give them a link to all 3 of the videos. And I tell them what's in it, just in case they didn't watch it. And then they get 3 more emails after that. And that next couple of emails is going to be like a little bit of an introduction about me because this is lead generation, right? They're new to me. And then the next thing after that is going to be my call to action email. Schedule a call, go to my website, join me in my Facebook group, like my Instagram, buy my product. So it all depends on what your next step is. I always want you to have a call to action at the end of it. And it doesn't need to be sales, only if it's appropriate. It could be anything. Hook up with me here, email me back, like me on LinkedIn, whatever it is. But you always want to have to call to action. Give your visitor, give your video watcher, give your lead magnet recipient a next step. All right? All right, that is it for the demo. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you do a video lead magnet, send me a link. I would love to sign up for it and look at it. All right, guys, have a good one.